Hi, my name is Cecilie. I'm the marketing manager at a company called Eupry. I've been working with Christian and Digital Wasabi on a range of different projects, some of them being demand generating content campaigns and also evaluating our existing marketing setup for opportunities and defining our buyer journey and ICP pains. Christian has been a great help, and I see him as an expert in SEO and HubSpot and content marketing and all things B2B marketing related. He's helped us on both a strategic level, but also executing and making things come to life. He is great at both defining opportunities within a marketing setup, but also prioritizing them to help define where to actually start, which is a great help. Besides that, he's easy to work with and pretty fun. I think that's it. I can 100% recommend Christian and Digital Wasabi to you if you want to grow your marketing setup and expand your business within B2B, especially within SaaS.